need to go directly into the one app store and write it down, type it down, color widget, custom widget. So once you downloaded this, you have to install this. Okay, after installing this application, you can directly, what you can do, you can directly add widgets to your macOS Big Sur. So I will try to download this. It will be, I think, 27 MB, so it will take some time depending upon your internet connection speed. So it's generally downloading quickly. So after it has been downloaded, you need to open this app, and once this app open up, here you can see color widgets. Now it's open. So what you have to do, you just need to select what type of widget you need to add. For example, there are so many categories of widgets are here: calendars, quotes, colors, natures, everything is there. So generally I will add a quote here. So maybe I select something like this one. Okay, so what I will do, I will edit first. I will show you how to edit the widget, and then it's open up. You have a option here to change the font also. Here, this is this look good. Okay, this look clean and good. So what I will do, I will choose the design also. So design will be like this. Okay, this one, the text only. So what type of, there are three categories of widgets. So what I will do, I will select this one, and then I will go back, double click it, and set widget. Now this widget has been set. So what I will do, I will minimize this. I will go into the my taskbar and edit widget. There is another option called color widget. So you have to click this, and you have to select your size. So I will add this one, mediums, and I will add this here. So what happened, you see it is done. Stay positive and good things will happen. So this widget will be added up, and then you click done. When you click this, it will show up here. So this is a very nice application where you can find it on a app store here called color widget custom widgets. So please subscribe to my channel, it will help me. So thank you very much.